How to close all open apps on your iPhone. In this video, learn. If you have multiple apps open and want to close them, this guide will be show you how to close. Okay, so sometimes are you using Android phone, then there have options close apps all, okay, but not have in iPhone. So there is no any have official options in iPhone. So but I will tell you some, give you tips to close your multiple apps, okay, at one time. So how it is, let's start it. Tell me in the comment box which iPhone are you using right now. Okay, now so you have to just use your three fingers. Okay, so I will tell you how you can use your three fingers. So now you can see you have to just close your apps to use three fingers. Just hold, tap and hold your three apps at one time and just do this up. Okay, now you can see doing this you fastly close your apps, recent apps close. Okay, doing this three finger. So there is no option in iPhone to close at one time recent using apps. So this is tips to you. I hope this will be guide understand to you. I hope like and subscribe to the channel Genuine Guide YouTube channel.